A light magnitude 3.1 earthquake occurred in the Indian Ocean 88 kilometers, 55 miles from Indonesia in the late afternoon of Sunday, May 25, 2025 at 6:43 p.m. local time, GMT+7. The quake had a very shallow depth of 19 kilometers, 12 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, BMKG after 9 minutes. The earthquake occurred 19 hours after a magnitude 3.2 earthquake had hit on Saturday, May 24, 2025, at 11:44 p.m. GMT+7 local time. In 29 kilometers, 18 miles, distance to the west. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.